Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this 21 registered Bentley Continental GT V8. Now this is a sumptuous car loaded with, well, I would have to say tens of thousands of pounds of extras and in absolutely beautiful as new order. Now the paintwork is Onyx black metallic and the car's sat on the 21-inch 5-spoke open alloys, so they've got a diamond edge to, obviously you can see the Bentley Continental embossed brake caliper then. But beautiful car, so let's have a look around it because it's absolutely gorgeous in this sunshine. So the Onyx black metallic paintwork is finished in as new condition. It's sat in our showroom this. I just love looking at it, I love sitting in it. What a motor car. It must be everybody's dream to own and drive one of these because this is gorgeous. So this car has got, as I say, the 21-inch alloy wheels. Now they're shod in fantastic Pirelli P0 tyres and they're all as new, the wheels and tyres. Absolutely wonderful. Paintwork itself is in, as you'd expect, having only done 9,000 miles, in factory condition. We've got the front grille there, which is the bright chromed front matrix grille, and then that lower one there is a factory option. I do have the specification sheet here, as you can see. I've just got that from the Bentley dealership we deal with, so I know which bits and bobs are the options. So we've got a Mulliner driving specification, we've got LED welcome lamps by Mulliner. It's just the end. The list is fantastic. Looking down the side of the vehicle, as one would expect, Bentley's paintwork is flawless. Beautiful, beautiful, flawless paint. We've got the 21 plate there, quad exhaust system. That's to open the boot. I've got the key in my pocket. But sumptuous. Privacy glass in this, I think it's lovely, that, the darker glass in the back. But everything about it is as new. Absolutely everything is as new. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Now, if you thought it looked good from the outside, wait till I open the door. And I have to say that this has to be the best contrast of interior I've ever seen on one of these. Now, we sell quite a few of these, but this would be my option if I were buying it myself. So we've got the dual tone leather steering wheel with contrast stitch. We've got the Bentley driver specification with the quilted and embossed contrast stitch as well. Just look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Full set of tailored overmats, and then the door inlay. Look at that. Oh my word. Beautiful. Power door mirrors, obviously you would expect, power windows. The black inlay there with the contrast is just arguably, I don't know what to say other than exceptional. Completely and totally exceptional. So the main hide is in linen and the second hide is in Beluga black. And then as we jump in, again we've got the contrast down the centre, the high gloss black finish. Everything is then the contrast stitch across the top of the dashboard. We've got touring specification, we've got front comfort seats, bright chrome lower matrix grille. We have the contrast stitch again over everything. Fresh air intake and air ionizer. It's beautiful in here. We've got Bentley dynamic ride. We've got a suede roof lining. We've got mood lighting specification as well. So it's as new. It smells new. It smells like it's just drove out a crew. Absolutely unbelievable. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell this car has never been smoked in. In fact, I know it's not been smoked in. It still smells new because I know the last owner of the car who part exchanged it with ourselves. Friend of mine. But just look at that. I don't think anybody sat in the back of here. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle. Words defy me on this. There's a sense of occasion when you open that door. An absolute gorgeous, gorgeous car. So, I'm Graham. We've got Lee and Dominic. Either one of us will be helped to help you on this vehicle. If you're looking at a part exchange, if you need finance, we've got everything you need to come to the one-stop shop. Still got the balance of the Bentley manufacturer's guarantee on this car, so you can buy in complete confidence that you're buying a high specification vehicle presented to the highest of standards and in absolute flawless condition with only 9,000 miles currently showing. So as for now, thanks for watching the video and I look forward to your inquiry.